Welcome to Elite Careers. Today, we're diving into how to land your dream job in 2024. Whether you're a recent graduate, changing careers, or aiming higher, our tips will guide you on your career journey. Let's get started. Define your dream job. The first step in landing your dream job is to clearly define what it looks like. Take some time to reflect on the industry, role, company culture, and location that align with your aspirations. Assess your skills. Once you've outlined your dream job, assess your skills. Identify the key competencies required and work on enhancing or acquiring them through education, training, or relevant experiences. Update your CV. Craft a compelling CV that highlights your skills and achievements. Tailor it for each application, using quantifiable achievements to showcase your impact in previous roles. A few things to include. Contact information. Make sure to include your full name, phone number, email address, and if possible, your LinkedIn profile. Professional summary. A brief statement highlighting your career goals and key qualifications. Education. List your educational background, including degrees, institutions, and graduation dates. Work experience. Detail your work history with bullet points highlighting key responsibilities and achievements. Skills. Showcase relevant skills, both technical and soft skills. Achievements. Highlight specific accomplishments that demonstrate your value. We have added a few quick tips to remember when editing your CV. Networking. Networking is a powerful tool. Attend industry events, both online and offline, and connect with professionals. Networking can open doors to opportunities that may not be advertised. Prepare for interviews. Prepare for interviews by following these 3 steps. Research the company. Analyze job requirements. Prepare for questions. Continuous learning. It's key to staying relevant in today's job market and showcasing your dedication to professional growth. You can do this by reading industry-related books, attending webinars or workshops, enrolling in online courses, and collaborating on projects. Stay flexible. Stay open to new opportunities and be willing to adjust your expectations. Your dream job may evolve as you gain more experience and exposure to different roles and industries. Embrace change, explore new possibilities, and be proactive in adapting to the evolving demands of the job market. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to land your dream job in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. And check out our other helpful videos here. Good luck on your career journey.